So, good morning, dear sixth. I hope that you are feeling great today. Today we will move on in our lesson, which was about lesson 3, page 8. Who can tell me anything about the lesson? Who can remember anything of the lesson? Do you remember what was it about? Okay, I'll help you out. It was about a walking bus. It was about developing reading skills, comprehension, scanning, inferring, and then directions in a questionnaire. We learned about, if you look here, different ways of getting to school. Some of you said on foot, because maybe you live near the school. Some of you by a car and some of you by the school bus. And then we discussed some of the vocabs. And we discussed the idea of, before the idea of the walking bus, here we discussed the order of these words based on the size. The biggest to the smaller ones. If we have city, town, and a country, the biggest one is a country, then city, then a town. Okay? I need now someone of you to tell me, what do you think a walking bus is? What was the walking bus idea? It is an idea, but what was it about? Yes, Ilya.
It was about two parents going around the neighborhood and asking in the same school to come to pick them up to school.
Amazing, thank you, Ilya. So the idea was that a group of parents, each time a couple of parents, two parents, go around the neighborhood, they walk in the town, they take the kids, they meet them at their houses, and then they walk to the school. Okay? So this is the idea of the walking bus. Now, I need you to listen. I need you to listen to the CD. I will play it for you, and I need you to follow when it's reading the text. I need you to look to your book and follow. And Ilya, please put down your hand. You can lower your hand. You can click on the hand icon again. Thank you, Ilya. So let's listen together.
Unit 1, Lesson 3, Activity 1, page 8. Listen and read. Mark the routes on the map using different colours.
Walking bus. Walking to school is good for you, but it's dangerous too. A group of parents wants to start a walking bus to school. Two parents will walk through town. They will meet children at their houses in town, and they will walk to school together. It will be safe, healthy, and fun. Do you live in town? Do you want to come on the walking bus? Please draw your route on the map and complete the questionnaire.
Name:
Patrick Parsons.
Address:
10 Main Street, Newtown, Ohio, 30021.
How do you get to school? By bus? By car? On foot?
On foot.
Give directions from your house.
First, walk along Main Street. Then go across the street and walk through the park. Then turn left onto New Road. Walk past the fire station and the library. Go across the street. The school is on the right.
Would you like to use the walking bus?
Yes.
Name:
Emily Jones.
Address:
35 Market Street, Newtown, Ohio, 30021.
How do you get to school? By bus? By car? On foot?
By car.
Give directions from your house.
Drive along Market Street. Turn left onto Main Street. Then drive along the street and turn right onto Town Road. Drive past the fire station and turn left onto New Road. The school is between the store and the field.
Would you like to use the walking bus?
Yes.
So, after we heard, you guys, you need to know what do we mean by questionnaire. Questionnaire, it's a noun, a set of questions as a way of getting informations. If you look here, this is as a piece of paper, we call it questionnaire. It has lots of informations. First information is, who can tell me? What do you see in this questionnaire? What kind of informations? Raise your hand. I'll help you out. Look here. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? Then here. Okay? Fadi.
So what's your name?
Amazing. First, the name, and then what do we have? First, we have the name. Iliya.
Miss, the address.
The address of your house or home where you live. Who else can tell me? Shadi.
Direction.
The directions. Amazing, the directions. But before directions, there is a question. How do you get to school? This question, we need to know how do you go or come to school. Basically on foot, then we need the directions of your house. Okay, this question is if you like to join the walking bus. If it's yes, then you are welcome to join. If it's no, then the two parents will not come across your home and meet your child to get them to the school. Okay? Great. Then here, guys, you need to know what a proper noun is. I already mentioned it before. Proper noun is a noun that gives a specific name, and the first letter is capitalized. A specific name we have like your names. My name is Daniela, your name is Shadi or Iliya or Bavli or Mansoor or Ranim or Daniela or Narj, etc. Here we have Patrick Parson, for instance. We have Main Street. Where is it, the Main Street? It was here. What do I mean by Main Street? If you look to the map, we have Main Street, and this is the name of what? Who can tell me? Main Street is the name of what? Mansoor. If you look here, Mansoor, this is a street. Do you know what street is? It's this gray part that cars drive on it.
Miss Hailey Gray? Bar?
Gray. Cars drive on it, isn't it?
Isn't.
Okay, we call it street, isn't it?
Street.
Okay, but here it says Main Street. So this is what? This is the what? The name of the street.
Street.
Isn't it?
Isn't.
Yes, it is, we say. Okay, what about someone else? Market Street. I need someone else. Market Street is a what? Market Street. Anyone who can help out? Market Street. What do I mean by Market Street? Yes, Shadi. Yes, Shadi.
It's the market street is where you can buy things.
Market Street is the name of the street. Look, guys, we have a street here, street number 1, then street number 2, street number 3, then street number 4. Now, each street has a name, a specific name. Okay? Let's mention them. Street number 1, Market Street. Street number 2, Main Street. Street number 3 is Town Street. And then street number 4, we call it New Road. Okay? So now we have an activity. If you look here, draw the routes of the questionnaire on the map with 2 different colors. So I need from you guys to pick up 2 different colors if there is around you. One, let's say a pencil, and then the other one like a different color. Green, blue, yellow, etc. Okay? Let's do it here. And I need someone to tell me the routes of the first route. This one, of Patrick Parsons' directions or routes. Who can tell me the routes of Patrick Parsons? Tell me and I will draw it on the map. Who can? Who can? Yes, Elia. Let's go, Elia. I need you to tell me the routes, but let me first pick a color. I will pick the blue color. Let's go, Elia.
Yes, it's 10 Main Street, Newtown, Ohio.
Okay, but I need the directions, the routes. First, walk along. These are the directions here. Can you?
Is it on the book?
Huh?
Is it on the book?
Walk what?
Walk straight.
Walk along, I see here. Walk along Main Street, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so walk along Main Street. Here is walk along Main Street. Then where should I go?
Then go across the street.
Here is across. Then?
And walk through the park.
Through the park. Here is through the park. Then?
Then turn left.
Turn left onto New Road. Here is left. Then?
Walk past the fire station.
And
the library.
Here is walking past the fire station and the library. Then?
Go across the street. The school
Here
is on your right.
Wait a minute. Here is cross the street. Then?
The school is on your right.
So this is the school on my right side. Thank you, Elia. How about someone else? Give me the routes of Emily Jones. Emily Jones. Emily Jones. Someone else. What about Narj, Raneem, Daniela, Bavli, Mansour, Fadi? Give me the routes of Emily Jones. Okay, Fadi. Let's go, Fadi. Just let me choose the pencil here. Let's go, Fadi. No, drive along Market Street first. Yalla, say it.
Drive
Along
Market City.
Main Street. Wait a minute. Here is Main Street. Let me choose another color. Let me choose another color. What about what? Here is white color. Walk along Market Street. Okay.
Turn left
Turn left. Here is left.
on Main Street.
Okay. Wait. I did something wrong. I need to go back. Wait. So, first, walk along Market Street, turn left. Here is left. Okay.
On
Main Street. This is Main Street. Okay. Then drive.
Then drive along the street and turn right.
Okay. Drive along the street, then turn. Here is right onto Town Road. Can you say it? Onto
Right.
Town Road.
Turn right.
Okay. Then
Drive
give me the
past,
direction. Huh?
Drive past
the fire station. Here is, wait a minute. Here is drive past the fire station and turn left. Let's go, Fadi. Here. Turn left.
on now road the school in.
Okay, Fadi, pay attention. Look here. And turn left onto a new road. The school is between the store and the field. Here is left onto new road. Then the school is between. Here is the field and here is the
School.
the store. This is the store and this is the field. The school is between them. So here is the school. Amazing. Thank you, Fadi, and thank you, Elia. That was amazing. So I need you to do this in your book. I need you to practice the routes and giving the directions, okay, or receiving the directions. Now, activity 2 here. Activity 2, answer the questions. 1, why is the walking bus safe? 2, how many parents will walk to school? 3, who walks through the park? 4, would you use the walking bus? Here we will practice, Miss, the reading skills, which are comprehension, scanning, and inferring. Question 1, why is the walking bus safe? Who can answer me? Why do you think it's safe? Why do you think it's safe? The walking bus is safe. Yes, Shadi.
Teacher, because it's healthy and fun.
It's safe mostly because who can help Shadi? Yes, Fadi, why do you think it's safe? Okay, I'll help you out. Because parents walk, because parents and children walk together. So the children are walking with adults, like parents. They are supervised by parents. They are not walking alone. Do children walk alone in the walking bus or with parents? Who can answer? Do children walk alone or with parents? Fadi?
with parents.
With parents, that's why it is safe. Okay, question section 2 of activity 2. How many parents will walk to school? Each time, how many parents walk to school? Walk the children to school. How many parents? Elia.
Miss, 2 each time.
2 each time. Can you infer your answer? From where did you find it in the text, your answer? Can you read the line?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, read it for us. Infer your answer.
A group of parents wants to start a
No,
walking
we
bus.
want the section. We want the section that has to do with the number of parents.
Oh, two parents will walk through town. They will meet children at their houses in town, and they will walk to school together. It will be safe,
Amazing.
healthy,
Thank
and fun.
you. Thank you. Up to school together. Amazing. So this is where we got our answer, that 2 parents will walk through town, because at the beginning they told us a group of parents wants to start a walking bus, but each time they will shift. Each time different 2 parents will walk through town and meet the children and walk them then later to the school. Section 3, who walks through the park? Which routes walk through the park? Patrick Parsons or Emily Jones? Who walks through the park? Look at the routes and try to find the word through the park. Is it mentioned here or in this routes? Who can answer? Let me see. Fadi.
In this route,
Huh?
in this route,
Patrick Parsons, Fadi, or Emily Jones?
Patrick.
Thank you, Fadi. Amazing. So, who walks through the park? Patrick Parsons walks through the park. Okay? Section 4. Would you use the walking bus? Who can answer it? Who would use the walking bus? Who would use it? Would you use it, Bavli? Would you use the walking bus?
Yeah.
Yes, I would.
Yeah.
Say it. Yes, I would.
Yes, I would.
Amazing. Thank you. So let's move on really quick to workbook and finish it because it's easy. Can you open your workbook to page 6, please? Look here. Activity 1, look and complete the letter. We have a map, okay? We have Emily's house, Tom's house, Patrick's house, shops, then Ed's house, cinema, museum, bank, pool, fire station, library, shop, Shelley's house, and the school. Then we have streets here, street 1, street 2, street 3, and street 4. Street 1 is Market Street. Can you turn off your mic? Who's that? Bavli, can you turn off your mic, please? Okay. So street 1 is Market Street, street 2 is Main Street, street 3 is New Road, and street 4 is Town Road. if you look here, dear parents, thank you for taking the walking bus to school. Here are the directions. Start at Emily's house at 32 Market Street. Okay, so we have here Emily's house. Here, I'll mark it for you. With the white color, and I'll pick the size of it. Okay, so we have Emily's house. Here is Emily. They told us at 32 Market Street, first walk over, it's going to be over the bridge. Over the bridge. Then, where should we go? Then stop at, whose house is this? This one here. Who can answer? Whose house? Next to Emily's house. Whose house? Fadi.
Tom.
Tom's house. Amazing. So, then stop at Tom's house. Then turn onto Main Street. Then turn what onto Main Street? Then turn left or right into Main Street. Who can answer it? Narj.
Left.
Left. Amazing, Narj. Then turn left, sorry, I skipped it, into Main Street. Okay. And meet. Whose house we are going to meet? Whose house are we going to meet? Shadi.
Patrick's house.
Amazing. Patrick's house. This is Patrick's house. Then go back to Market Street and go left. So I will go back to Market Street, then go left. I will go left, this side, here. Walk the shops. What are we going to do the shops? Are we going through the shops or past the shops? Narj. Yes, Narj.
Past.
Amazing. We are going past the shops. Then turn at the light onto New Road. We need to go onto New Road. What should I turn? Where should I turn? Left or right? Left or right? Shadi.
Left.
Amazing. Then turn left at the light onto New Road. This is left. Okay? Here is left. 8. House is on the left. Whose house on the left here? This is the left hand or the left side. Yes, Narj. Whose house? Whose house, Narj? Okay, someone else. Shadi.
Ed's house.
Ed's house is on the left. Go and walk past the fire station. This is the fire station here. So I need to go what? Left, right, or straight? Who can help out? Fadi.
Straight.
Amazing. So I need to go straight here. Thank you, Fadi. And walk past the fire station. So I will stay walking straight past. I don't go into it. Meet at her house. Who I will meet here? Whose house is that? Fadi again.
Right.
Salou.
Whose house is this?
Salou.
No. Okay, someone else? Not.
Sally.
Not.
Shelly.
Shelly. So Shelly's house, and then they told us, then go across the street to the school. So I will go after Shelly's house. I will cross the street to the school. So please, I will send you the answers. Please write them and send them to me to check them and try to practice the routes. Okay, I need to see that you practice the routes. Okay, section 2. Let's see section 2. Write the directions to go home. Start at the school, go across the street to Shelly's house, go left and walk past the library and that. This is the other way around, okay? This is we will start from the school. We will drop Shelly's and then we will go back home to Emily's house. This would be your home work. I'll send it through Edunation and I need it as a homework. And then later on, tomorrow or on Monday, I'll send you the model answers. Okay, 6? Does anyone has any questions so far? Do you have any question?
No, teacher.
No? Okay, so I'll send everything through Edunation. Thank you for attending the class. See you on Monday.